Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered where you were on a certain day or want to go back to your past adventures? Today, I'm going to show you how to access your timeline on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the upper right corner or the three horizontal lines in the search bar to open the menu. Scroll down and select your timeline. Here you will see your timeline represented by dates. Start from today and work backwards in your activities. At the very top, you can see a line with some of the offered options, namely, Day, where you can see individually the day you want and your activities during that day. Next, Travel, where you have been and visited. Of course, you can see them individually, as well as the date and time by clicking on the destination where you have been. Then, Insight, where you can see how long you drove, walked, visited, used transport, bought, and other things for that month. The following are the places you visited, which are classified into several categories. Also the cities you visited and when. And finally the world, where you can see where you've been in the world. And there you are. You've just learned how to access and explore your timeline on Google Maps. It's a great way to remember your travels or to check where you were on a particular day. If you found this tip useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you!